Okay, so first thing you do is you get some kale and stuff as much as you can. So lots of kale, lots of protein, good stuff. This will be enough for two. One for me, one for you. Okay, and then we add some almond milk. Blueberries, a lot of blueberries. I have some mango. I even put some strawberries in there and a frozen banana. Whoops. There we go. Let's mush it a bit. Cacao powder, which is basically pure chocolate, and there's some hemp seed in there and a little bit of flaxseed. So let's put that in there. And probably just a little bit more water. There we go. And then I'm going to add one date that I cut up. Let's bring out a little sweetness. So we got bananas, cherries, pineapples, mango, blueberries, and some cut up date. That's our fruit and kale and hemp seed, flaxseed, and cacao. Should be done. Coming out kind of chunky, but that's okay because the fruit was frozen and it's going to melt a little bit. It'll get nice and soft. Because we have big, thick straws. There we go. Our big two. All right. Your mouth is numb. My mouth is numb. Is my mouth around it? I can't tell if my mouth is around the straw. Seriously, I can't. It's gonna come drilling out of my mouth.
Okay, no. Don't do it.
I can't. It's good. You can tell if it's good if you got some in your teeth. It's pretty small too. That's good.